Are you looking for the best wireless security systems? In this video we will look at some of the best wireless security systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Abode Essentials Starter Kit DIY Wireless Home Security System. Traditional security systems often have to be professionally installed in your home due to their wired components, but the Abode Essentials Starter Kit is a fully wireless security system that's easy to install on your own. This kit includes a gateway hub, one door/window sensor, a motion sensor, and a key fob, and you can expand it with add-on items including cameras, sirens, panic buttons, and various sensors. The Abode system is simple to install. All its sensors can easily be mounted by yourself, and you can choose to monitor the security system yourself or opt into their optional professional monitoring plan. The components feature cellular and battery backup to keep your home secure during power outages, and the Abode web and mobile apps are user-friendly and easy to use. Plus, because all the pieces are wireless, you can take them all with you if you ever move to a new home. At number 2. Arlo Pro 2 Wireless Home Security Camera System with Siren. If you prefer a DIY camera system, you should consider the Arlo Pro 2, which comes with 2 or more wireless indoor-outdoor cameras. With the free Arlo subscription, you can monitor up to 5 cameras and access their footage for up to 7 days. The Arlo cameras deliver 1080p high-definition video and include advanced motion detection that will trigger a notification on your smartphone. You can even set up activity zones to help avoid false alarms, such as passing cars. The cameras can be plugged in, or you can power them with the rechargeable battery, and they even have two-way audio and a siren that you can control remotely to scare off intruders. Plus, the system works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and more, allowing you to control your cameras using voice commands. At number 3. Wi-Fi 4-piece Home Camera Security Surveillance System. You can set up a home surveillance system without emptying your wallet thanks to the Wi-Fi 4-piece home camera system. This budget-friendly security option lets you monitor your home and family right from your smartphone, and there are no monthly fees required. Each of the 4 Wi-Fi cameras captures 1080-pixel high-definition video, and they have enhanced infrared night vision and motion detection capabilities, sending alerts to your phone whenever they sense movement. The company provides free 7-day storage where you can see clips of recorded activity, and you can monitor the live feeds from your phone at all times. Reviewers say the Wi-Fi cameras deliver a crisp, clear image, even at night, and many are impressed by the overall quality of the system at such an affordable price. At number 4. Skylink SK250 Alarm Camera Deluxe Connected Wireless Security Home Automation System. Professionally monitored home security systems typically charge a monthly fee on top of the cost of the product, but you don't have to worry about the added expense with the Skylink SK250 wireless security system, which doesn't have any monthly fees or contracts. This system comes with an internet hub, 2 door/window sensors, 2 motion sensors, a keychain remote, and an indoor camera, and you can expand it to include up to 100 devices and a maximum of 10 cameras. You can arm and disarm the system and monitor its status with the Skylink Net app, which will send you push notifications anytime a sensor is triggered. Reviewers have positive things to say about this security system, writing that it's easy to use and provides peace of mind that your home is secure.